Ogai mar jotend migepe Musalia Mudavadi ojiwo lakteche mondo otim twak kod piny owacho matieko ng'anyo margi moselandore nyaka jumbe 5 sani. Mudavadi lero ni ywaruok e kind lakteche kod sirikal osechungo chenro mag thieth e ute mag thieth kendo miyo jopiny sandruok. Kata kamano nonyiso geno mare ni twak mosebedo ka dhi nyime e kind lakteche kod sirikal mamalo dhi nyago olemo machiegni ni. Mudavadi nomedo wacho ni jopiny dwaro thieth kinde ka kinde, ka bende en mise mano motegno magisekete bwo chenro machwalo dongruok ne jopiny mayutogi ni piny mong'ere kaka Bottoms Up Economic Transformation Agenda. Mudavadi nowacho magi e kinde nyasi mar 23 mar jochiw thieth e kaunti ma Mombasa.
Kenya has made great progress in improving child health indicators. The under-5 mortality has reduced from a high of 115 per 1,000 children live births in 2003 to 41 deaths per 1,000 live births in 2022. However, newborn mortality has stagnated at 21 deaths per 1,000 live births and account for 51% of the deaths among children under 5 years. One month old, the ones who are only 1 month, newborns, are contributing to the 51% of the deaths for under 5 children.
Caused by the shutdown of our entire public health system, by medical practitioners or professionals demanding better pay and employment of medical interns. And indeed, I came here also to say that as much as we may have an industrial issue, our partnership with the professionals in the health sector can never be downplayed and should never be underrated. So it is for me to show that in spite of what is going on, we shall have logical dialogue and ultimately be able to resolve the issues.